On the road to make a change, nothing will be the same.
Cooking's for everybody. I believe it's a real life skill that people should actually take up.
I'd done a little bit of cooking through high school and then I really liked it, done a competition, now I'm here.
I've just always had a passion for giving.
And whether you choose to work in a fine dining restaurant or a rest home, pretty much anybody can take up the opportunity of learning how to cook.
Everyone loves food. The industry is really big now.
MIT does have really good facilities. The kitchens are well equipped with pretty much everything that a chef needs to actually learn their trade.
This could lead into a lot of things. You could be in some small business restaurant, or you could aim for higher end and be on the high end of things. You could travel the world, you could learn different cuisines.
We're on the journey together. It's not about being a teacher and a student, it's basically being about peer to peer.
The knowledge that I've learned here, I can take it with me anywhere.
MIT, where the best makers are made.